Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. So today we'll be doing something a little bit different. Here's two boxes that I just picked up today from my phone supplier. And for all of these devices here, there's iPads, there's Samsungs, there's a whole bunch of even unknown brands of tablets. And then here we got a whole bunch of, these are probably scrap phones, but we'll see what's actually in the boxes. For all of these devices, I paid $200. And now the reason I was able to get such a good deal on this entire batch here is because I buy inventory. I buy pretty much everything that comes in every single day. So these are all Galaxy S7s, a whole bunch of Galaxy S7s right here. And I mean, this right here is 200 devices. Got Galaxy S8 Pluses, iPhone 7s, absolutely everything that comes in, I pretty much buy it. And we just either fix them or just resell them as is, or if they're good to go, then we just put them in the store and sell them as is. I have a store just downstairs from my office here, and that's what I do. I move them. So what I want to do today is I want to go through all of these devices, separate them, and see what $300 will bring back. Alright, here's what we got as far as tablets go. We got a whole bunch of second-gen iPads and a 1/4 gen iPad. We got a first-generation iPad. I wonder if this even boots up. Then we got a whole bunch of iPad minis right here. We got some newer Samsung tablets. We got some newer iPads here. And then some older Samsungs, one slightly newer. Got a Microsoft Surface RT, some unknown brand tablets here, some Samsung with a blown up battery. I wonder if that screen is good. And then another Tab 4, some second generation Galaxy tabs. One, I don't even know what this is, I've never seen one before. And then we got some Verizon Ellipsis, newer and older models, and then one LG, some Amazon, HP, and these are just a whole bunch of who knows what. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and charge these, and we'll get the phones sorted out as well and see what we got there. Here's where we are as far as phones go. We've got some iPhones here, some 5Ss, some 5Cs, and either 6 or 6S. I'll have to double check. Got some Motorola's, and these I'm actually keeping for a project I'm going to be doing here pretty soon. I just need a few hundred more. And then we got all these Samsungs, Asus, Blue Phone, some Motorola's, some random ones. This one looks pretty cool. It's a Verizon. It might be a newer one, and a lot of the newer flip phones are actually worth quite a bit. And then these are a whole bunch of I don't know, but I know that some of them are actually worth some money. So I'll be going through them as well and see what's worth it and what's not. Some will go as a lot for sale on eBay, or some will go as individually depending on what they're worth. And then we got some more iPhone 3GSs, 2Gs. These are all keepers. I'm keeping all these. Some iPod Classic 7th generations, 120 gigabytes. Got some iPhone 4S, first gen iPod Nano, I think this one is. And then we got some iPod first gen, second or third, and fourths. So as soon as we're done charging these things up right here, we'll be going through them see what's good, what's not, what's locked, what's not locked. And don't worry guys, if the devices are locked, it's not because they're stolen. It's actually, we get these from huge companies that either upgrade or they let someone go and they just put all these old devices in the box, and then we'll just pick them up or buy them when the box gets bigger. So that's where all these came from. And yeah, let's see where this $300 two boxes gets us. Alrighty guys, so we got our first batch of tablets charged up. Let's go ahead and go through them, see which ones are good, which ones are bad, separate them, and then we'll go ahead and do some testing on them, and then we're gonna go ahead and price them out. So far we went through these right here, and what we've got is the Galaxy Tab S3, hairline crack, that's about $100 coming back. HD Kindle Fire HD 7, we just did a reset on it, so it'll be ready for sale in store at $70. This Amazon Kindle Fire 7, $25, so pretty cheap tablets. This one with the inflated battery is gonna be $20 online. The Tab 4 that's all good in store is gonna go for $50. This Parts iPad mini is gonna go up for about $25-30. This one's gonna go for about $40. So in total, just off these here, we're already at $385 back, and that's a very small portion of them. These either have no power, LCD damage, or other thing. Most likely what I'm gonna end up doing with these here is we're gonna just make lots and sell them as a lot on eBay. And usually a lot of 5 to 10 iPads that are slightly newer or newer Samsungs, it'll bring about $100 per 5 to 10 of them. So it really depends on the model and what's wrong with them. And then we got these, which I'm getting tired, so those I'll do for you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what the total price is gonna bring once we go through the entire batch here. We got these charging, which they probably should already be done. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug them all, and I'll put the next batch to charge, and tomorrow we'll go ahead and get through the rest, hopefully.